Morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everybody. It's on the 7th of August, 7th of August. We're going to see what we did yesterday. So this is what we basically did yesterday. We were looking for sales below 23.99. So the first one came over here, did not really break and close below. So we could not have entered over there. We waited for the next one that came here. This candle broke very well over here. So waited for a retracement up. This was my entry for the sales over here, 23.99, and went all the way to take profit one, which was right over here, around 23.82. So we did hit one take profit. The sales was a success, 23.99 to 23.83 over here. All right. So as for take profit two, it did not happen. The market, as you can see, is still consolidating. It's still ranging in between take profit one and the entry point. For the buys, did not happen over here. So let's see what we have in terms of fundamental. Today is on a Wednesday. We have nothing high back to worry about. These Canadians, IVP PMI, and then 10-year action bond. These will affect mostly the indices and the stocks on the other side and the bond market majorly. So we are left to do only technical for this side. So let's see once again a fresh new analysis every morning, right? Fresh analysis every morning. Very important for you to do a fresh analysis every morning because things could have changed overnight or in between the last time we did an analysis and the next time we're coming to check on it, and this which is right now. So monthly resistance, weekly resistance over there. Look at it in terms of weekly support falls. It's gonna come around that area, but I know majorly it's gonna come below the wicks over here. Weekly resistance, daily. Yep, told you it's gonna come over there. Daily, we're still around the same area, if I may. If I may say, we're still just around the same area. So let's go to H4 and see. H4 is giving us a high over here. It's basically the same high that we were talking about yesterday. The same highs that we were talking about yesterday, the same thing over here. So we did make sure we mark these out and we mark that out over there. But you can see there's also formation of now a resistance, a support, sorry, for the H4 time frame. There's a resistance, a support over here forming. So we're just gonna name that. Let's say H4 resistance and H4 support. Then I'm going down to 1 hour. I'm going down to 1 hour over there. Readjust as 1 hour. What do we have in 1 hour? It seems like we have a pattern over here. In 1 hour, we have H1. Sorry. Nope. I needed this H1 resistance over here. You have a H1 resistance. Gonna mark it like that. Yes. So what I'm looking for right now is these buys. I'm looking for these buys where we can get it, where we can get the buys. This is very important for us to mark as well. Over here, let's do 30 minutes, 30 minutes, same old, same old. All right, good. So now I like to get or to propose potential sales below this point. Potential sales below 23.79. 23.79. Yeah, 23.79 over here. Potential buys over here. 23. 23.97. just to be safe, about the 97 area over there. Yep. This is 1 hour resistance. All right. So that is what we're looking at. And then in terms of take profits, I want this to be a TP1. I want this to be a TP2. Should we continue pushing up? Definitely we have another area over here that we should consider, and this one. All right, so we have a TP3 over here. Sorry, TP3. Something like that, you know? Something just like that. Just a thing like that for the buys. For the sells, definitely we come into TP1 down over here. What would happen if we broke below? That is a very good question to ask myself. What would happen if we broke below? We would come right over there. I'll probably just assume we have more pressure. We come over there. Those are too close to each other. They're too close to each other. Yeah, some things like that. Let's first of all cover this. When we cover this first, then we will be talking about take profits 2 and 3. Over there, stop loss, take profit over there. All right, so that's what we'll be looking at. Trying to go down to 15 minutes and see. Okay, this would have been a very nice sell though. Break below this point, but it's already happening and the candle is not yet closed, so not really going to be talking much about it. But this is what basically I'm going to be looking at today. Let's see if we get, should we get these buys, push up to this point, or should we get this sell? First of all, tap down, and then we continue, we look for a leg up, right? So again, I'm going to take you very quick on monthly. Remember what I said on monthly? We said if this candle doesn't break above this point to make a new high, then it's going to push down, first of all, to fill this one up over here to retrace the whole July candle. And if you look at it on 1 hour, that is what the market is actually doing. It's going down to fill the monthly candle. So as we can see, according to our analysis, this is the place where the market is supposed to come to fill that candle. So we're looking at, no, let's see the prices. Let's see the exact price. Let's not gamble with that. Let's see the exact prices. Exact prices over here at 23. Jesus. 23, 23, 23, 23. Over here, 23, 23. 2323, 2323, give me 2323, 2323 or around this point, right? So it's gonna be, let me mark it on monthly. Let me just mark it. It's, yeah, right over there. 2323 over here. So this is the monthly. It's gonna be the monthly candle. The July monthly candle. This is the point that we're looking at least for it to be broken here. So let's keep an eye on this. Let's see what we could get, and hopefully we get to see what the market has for us, all right? So amazing, all right? Keep an eye on this. Trade safe, risk management as always. Trade what you see and not what you think about, all right? Yeah, let's meet tomorrow as we do a fresh and a quick review of the same, okay? Take care, guys, and bye-bye.